Hello to you, user. My name is Jake from augmentedworld.co.uk, and today I'm here to tell you about one of the apps that I currently have on the Android store. And if you've been linked here directly from the Android store, hello to you, user who's interested in my app. Right, now let's get down to brass tacks. What is this app? This app is an augmented solar system. It allows you, the user, to augment a miniature version of our solar system. Unfortunately, no others currently. Inside the view of your mobile phone. How does it work? You pretty much get anything that's a flat surface, so as much as I hate to do advertising here, like a box of some sort, a DVD case, a newspaper, a leaflet. I really wish I had more things around here. But yeah, just flat surfaces with interesting sort of patterns on them, nothing repeating over, otherwise there's nothing different for the camera to track. So lots of different variations in colours and patterns and so on and so forth. So let's use one of everyone's favourite games, Grand Theft Auto 5, to augment onto. Essentially, you want to make sure that it's nice and flat in front of the camera, and when it says augment, it's good to augment onto it, and then you have your solar system, which is there for everyone to look at. Now, essentially, one of the major bits of feedback that I've had from this already is about orientation of the solar system. Now, in one of the new builds that I'm going to implement in about a month's time, because unfortunately I do have other plans that need to come first, I will also be putting in a command so that the user can change the orientation of what they augment onto. So, for example, you need to have the camera sort of looking down on the actual marker to get it to augment properly. However, some people might have something on their wall, and basically, if it was on the wall, then you would want it to sort of be at a different angle. You know, all about the orientation of where you want your solar system to be. Anyway, more to the point, other than your solar system here, what else does this app do? It actually teaches you. I mean, there are just small little bits of information about each planet, but it's nice to draw up upon it. Of course, this is the sun, or actually a planet. Yep. But yeah, it's a nice little app. The main reason why I made this app was I wanted to actually find out what the process of uploading onto the Android store was like, and what sort of details they needed, what sort of information, and just basically how to get ready for the Android store. So yeah, this app isn't perfect, but I'm still happy because it's on there, it's working, as you can see by it being here, and yeah, if you're interested in, well, space, and just generally want to play around with some cool technology, there it is. The interface that I'm not going to be showing you because unfortunately we'll lose the camera, but it's not the best, but I'm a programmer, so what do you want from me? Anyway, so the entire solar system's on there. Pluto is on there, but I have noted that it is a dwarf planet. So, yeah. Take that, nerds. Anyway, with everything in mind, I'm going to be recording a new video shortly about all the stuff that I've been up to, and current projects and cool things. Yes, I have been I am plugging my app here, but, well, you know, you've come in, you've been curious about how it works, and well, here's a brief demonstration as to how it works. So, I hope you enjoy it. I hope that you have fun augmenting, and this is a nice experience for you. Please, please, please leave me feedback if you have any feedback about the app. There are things that I'm working on, such as I said, the orientation thing. So if it was flat on the wall and not flat on the surface, and where everything ends up, and so on and so forth. That's a major thing I'm working on, but that's really, really easy. Sorry, one thing I need to quickly point out. This is very, very important. The reset button up here. The reset button is basically the one time you have to augment. Basically, you have one chance to augment per time. Because of the way this way user-defined targeting works, you need to essentially press the reset button every time you augment. So if I want to augment onto something differently now, like this box, I need to press the reset button and reset the scene. And this is unfortunately a side effect to using defined targeting, which I have explained in one of my previous videos, but I will go over again in the next video because it's a long explanation and blah 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 blah. So enough plugging. please enjoy the app, leave information if you've got any comments and so on and so forth, and hope you enjoy. This is Jake from Augmented World, signing out. Cheers.